I'm Mariko. Today I'm going to show you how to make a fruit dip recipe with cream cheese and heavy whipping cream. To get started, you'll want a small microwave safe dish, and then you'll want to add your cream cheese. I'm just making a small batch today, so this is going to be about 3 ounces. Then I'm going to put it in the microwave for 15 seconds. Now that I have my warmed and softened cream cheese, I'm going to add about a tablespoon of heavy whipping cream. Now I'm just going to stir it all together. Now this is just a good basic recipe for your fruit dip, but you could start to doctor it up from here. I'm going to add a little fresh ground cinnamon. This is going to give it a little spicy kick. You could add a little bit of brown sugar or agave nectar for a little bit of sweetener. You could add some ground up nuts or coconut. You can add virtually anything to this dip to customize it any way that you want. This is Mariko showing you how to make a fruit dip with cream cheese and heavy whipping cream. Enjoy.